Welcome to Bayfield Training Excel Tips videos. Today we will explain how to import data from the web using Power Query. I caught my team copying and pasting data from the web like this. So I showed them how to import data using Power Query. Power Query is a tool used to import, clean, and shape data in Excel. Just copy the web link. Now, go to Excel and on the Data tab, select the From Web option. On the pop-up table, paste the web address and click OK. Then, choose the data you would like to import and click Load. And voila! The data is ready and formatted in seconds. Happy learning! Follow us on our social media platforms to learn more about our Excel tips. And for more information about our executive education courses, visit our website www.bayfieldtraining.com.